Hello everyone, this video is exclusively for doctors, coaches, interior designers who are into business industries who want to make more money in online. So by using paid ads, we are offering Google Ads services and Meta Ads services. Like we are generating quality lead for your business to convert into sale. So recently one of our client from Hyderabad, we used to run ads from the past 1 month. We had made 4 lakh rupees in revenue. And we have one doctor, we are making 4 to 5 lakh rupees for him using our specifically Google Ads and Meta Ads services. And we do have one more client in interior designing, made 40 lakhs worth project, that too with our help using Meta Ads. And one more coach, he is into mindset training. We have generated more than 5 lakh rupees just within 1 month by using sales ads, webinar registrations. Are you really interested? Just click the button below, book your consultation with me. I am going to contact you personally. By the way, my name is Fayas and I'm from LeadsZilla.in. So we have been in this industry from the past 3 years and we have worked with international clients. Wherever you are watching this video, right, you can see some of our international clients testimonials below this video as well. Just click the button below, book your consultation with me. We are going to contact you personally and let's sit down in a Zoom call and figure it out how we can help for your business. So that's the thing. I'm actually waiting for your response. So click the button below. Bye bye.